Let's go. Yeah, make it look easy. Hey, stand up guy on 10 toes. Big body pull up in a Range Rover. I can change the whole game when I say so. I pull up, shut it down, yeah, they know. Running this game ain't a thing for me. I never switched up, no change in me. The only thing changing this season, you go against me, then you know that.
Hey fam, today we're at Gasoline Alley where somehow I've convinced these guys to give me a motorcycle. Now it's only a little one. It's the X500. I got them to put some bars on so that it's nice and comfortable for the way I like to ride it, and we're going to pinch it for a couple of days. I think we're going to go for a bit of a street ride, maybe a hills run, but we all know I'm not a racer and I can't take corners to save my life unless the back wheel's smoking. So we're going to go do some wheelies, some stoppies, some burnouts, and all the stuff I do. And I'll tell you how good the bike is at doing that sort of stuff, as well as what I think of it on the street. So let's get in there, and hopefully they haven't changed their mind, because I really want to go play on someone else's motorbike. Come on. So there we have it, guys. It's a popular little bike already. Like I said, I was going to give it a good shakedown. We did that. I took it to the hills, put a couple hundred Ks on it. That was great. As a stunt bike, as you're seeing, this thing is very easy, straight out of the box. I haven't done a stoppie on a bike for a good 12 months, and I had them dialed in about 3 attempts on this bad boy. So I'm a fan, guys. Like, don't get me wrong, if I'm cruising up the highway, I'm going to want to ride my Dyna because I look way cooler. But if I have to zip through traffic or shoot up the road or get to work, this would be amazing. If I was somebody learning to ride, this is also amazing. It is very smooth, very easy to ride. So I think I gave it a good shakedown. I put it to the test. It is still in one piece. Just want to say thank you to Gasoline Alley for trusting me with their motorcycle. I've had a blast. Like I said, I love the little thing. It is, for me, it would be an amazing little toy. So hook a brother up. I'll put a 60 tooth on it and a handbrake and we'll see what it can really do. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Now what are you gonna let me play on next? Back up, road glide. Bye.